Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to speed up TikTok video. So if you want to speed up your TikTok videos, what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok application, now what you have to do is tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen. So now what you have to do is just tap on upload and then select a video that you would like to upload. So for example, I'm selecting a video from my gallery. I'm selecting this video, and if you want to speed up this video, what you have to do is tap on edit, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on edit, now what you have to do is now you have to tap on the video, or you have to select this video. So just select this video like this, and after selecting that video, in bottom you can find speed. You just have to tap on that speed icon. After tapping on that speed icon, now here you can see you can speed your video all the way up to 10x, or you can slow all the way down to 0.1x. So it's your choice if you want to speed it or if you want to slow it. So I would like to speed my video, so you can speed it to 2x, 5x or 10x. It's your choice. And after speeding up this video, now you have to come back and then tap on the save option, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on save, you have saved your video in the speed motion. So this is how to speed up TikTok videos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.